All right, guys, eyes on the board now. I want everyone pens down. Okay, so we're going on to another question. This is the only other question type which is there using area of a segment. Okay, one is directly finding area of a segment. This one will have one step extra. Okay, that is they've given you a round table cover. They're saying 6 equal designs. 6 designs. What is this? This drawing part is designed. Okay, 6 equal designs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, as shown in the figure. The radius of the cover is 28 centimeter. So this is 0. Sorry, this is O. Radius of the cover is 28 centimeter. Okay with that, everyone? Yeah. Now find the cost of making the designs at the rate of 0.35 per centimeter square. Okay. Cost of making the designs. Design is only this drawing part. Okay with that? Yeah. Some steps. Hold on, Tulsi. Design is only this drawing part. So design is what? Design is what actually? It is a segment. We good with that? The design is actually a segment. How many equal segments are there? 6 equal segments are there. You find area of one segment multiplied by 6. Is that okay? Yeah. They have told you that it is equal. Okay. If they would have not told you it is equal, they might have told. They will tell you regular hexagon is inscribed inside a circle. All of that language they will use. Okay. Your idea is to find what logic is going on in the background. Okay. Area of one segment into 6. Now my idea is I have to find area of one segment. Let me write this down. Total design area. Total design area is equal to area of one segment multiplied by 6 because there are 6 designs. Everyone okay with this? This is one part of the logic. The other part is now to find this area of the segment, we will do all that. We will all do all that game of trigonometry. But to do that game of trigonometry, you need this angle, no? Huh? You need this angle, right? What is this angle? How do we find that angle? They are all equal designs, which means they are all equally projected from the center. Which means if I go through this round, this one design is having is 1/6 of the total rotation. Okay. So if I take this as theta, if I take this angle as theta, I'll write theta is equal to 360 degree divided by 6. That's equal to 60 degree. Everyone okay with that? If I have this, I will be able to find area of the sector, full area of this, and then after I get theta equal to 60, let me draw this. I'm going to draw this triangle out. Okay, I'm going to draw this triangle outside. So this is my triangle. Let's call this A, B. This is O. Yeah, I have this as 60 degree. So this angle is what? 30 degree. You will have to write the steps. Okay, either you have to prove congruence as the book does, or you'll have to use Tulsi's method and you'll have to find this angle and this angle. It's basically isosceles. This is 28, this is 28. It is isosceles. So you have the opposite angles equal. Opposite angles are equal. This is equal to this. So this totally adds up to 120. So divided by this is also 60. This is also 60. Okay with that? Interesting thing, if you notice here, you're having 360, 60, 60, and 60. You don't have to do anything else. You already know it's 28. You already know this is 28. All 3 angles are equal. So it's an equilateral triangle. So you will get this as, you don't even have to use trigonometry now. You got this as 28. You got this as 28, which means trigonometry is skipped. Now you know area of equilateral triangle is what? Formula? Area of equilateral triangle formula? Yes. Root 3 by 4 a square. Yeah, area of an equilateral triangle formula. A is side. Please get this sorted. Okay. Area of equilateral. If you don't know this, you go by what that formula. Half base into height. Okay. But you should be knowing this. Okay. This is an old formula which we have used earlier. Okay. So you have root 3 by 4 into 28 square. Okay. Don't multiply yet. You can cancel out things in the last moment. Okay. Because the area of the equilateral triangle is this. You have area of the sector. Area of the sector is equal to theta by 360, so 60 by 360 into pi r square, pi into 28 square. Okay, you will get something here. You will subtract both of these and find area of one design. One design you will find as area of the segment. Okay, that will be equal to this part minus this part. Okay. Good with that, and then multiply it by 6 to find the total design area. Any problems? All right. So this currently this set of questions which are coming as homework for this particular topic, okay, which is basically this only. You have to do it again and again. All right. Sometimes you might get equilateral triangles. When you don't, you'll have to resort to trigonometry. The exercise questions are exercise 12.2. Yours is 5.2, right?
Yes. Yes.
All right. Question number 6, question number 7, and question number 13. That's this question. Okay. These 3 questions, yeah.